Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fan that's been making waves in the market. The Hunter Fan Company 53119 48-inch sea-wind white low-profile indoor-outdoor ceiling fan. If you're in the market for a ceiling fan that blends style with functionality, you've come to the right place. Let's kick things off with why this fan stands out. Designed by Hunter, a trusted name in ceiling fans, the Sea-Wind model is celebrated for its sleek, low-profile design. It's perfect for spaces with low ceilings, whether indoors or on covered porches. The white finish gives it a timeless look that complements any decor. Now, let's talk performance. Powered by Hunter's WhisperWind motor, this fan delivers powerful airflow with minimal noise. It's equipped with a multi-speed reversible motor, allowing you to switch between downdraft mode for summer cooling and updraft mode to circulate warm air during winter, keeping your space comfortable year-round. Installation is straightforward with the Sea-Wind fan. It comes with pull chain controls for easy operation. No need to fuss with complex remotes. Plus, it's damp rated, making it suitable for covered outdoor areas like patios and sunrooms. Perfect for those who want functionality without sacrificing style. Curious about what others think? The Sea-Wind fan boasts an impressive 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 1,430 ratings on Amazon. Customers rave about its quiet operation, ease of installation, and overall value for money. It's even Amazon's choice in the ceiling fans category by Hunter Fan Company. Before we wrap up, it's important to note that while the Sea-Wind fan is a top pick for many, it's designed for use in the US. If you're purchasing from abroad, ensure compatibility with your local electrical standards. That wraps up our in-depth look at the Hunter Fan Company 53119 48-inch Sea-Wind white low-profile indoor-outdoor ceiling fan. Whether you're upgrading your home's decor or enhancing your outdoor space, this fan delivers on both style and performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay cool. This script should effectively cover the key features, benefits, and considerations of the Hunter Sea-Wind fan while maintaining engagement throughout the video. Adjustments can be made to fit the specific style and format of your YouTube channel.